Hi, welcome to Copenhagen. Thanks for dropping in. Hope everybody is doing well. Today I am looking at a custom diamond painting tweezer stand from 3DArtRL on Etsy. A few weeks ago I did a review of a custom diamond painting pen stand to display your pens. And more recently I did a review of a pair of custom diamond painting tweezers, and then I thought, I wonder if I can get a custom diamond painting tweezer stand. So I went on Etsy and I had a browse and I found one. So this is it. And it comes from France, which happens to be the same country as the custom tweezers. Same country, different company, both on Etsy. So this is what arrived, a very shiny bubble envelope. I've never seen one like this before. It is very, very light, and there should be a custom diamond painting tweezer stand inside. So we shall have a look, and just a matter of opening it up. And that is some pretty strong glue. So what do we have inside? Okay, that's interesting. I wasn't sure what to expect. I didn't expect, what's that? I was going to say black tape. It's silver tape. So let me check, there's no instructions or guide or anything, nothing. So this is what we get. This is obviously the base. This is the stand, and I have no idea. I don't know if it's, you can put it on here to give some bling. No idea. So pretty simple. Put the square in the square, as they say. That went in okay, I think that's it. So basically it's a triangle, obviously 3D printed, a triangle at the top so the tweezers hang on it. What the tape is for, I have no idea, but I actually like the black, so I would just keep it like this. I can't see anything that would need the tape. So I don't know if it's just for decor, but I won't be using it. So now the thing to do is see how tweezers actually sit on it. So I think I'll change the camera angle for this one. Okay, so I don't know how many sets of tweezers you'd actually put on this. Now I am on a tilted table, so I'm a bit apprehensive that it's going to fall forward because of the weight, but the first ones that I want to put on it are the custom tweezers that I just recently reviewed. As I said, these also came from France and also came from Etsy, but a different store. So the idea is you just sit your tweezers on it. I'll put the gold ones on, the ones that I had been using up until now, and they sit totally different. I'll actually have to bring them down a bit. I'll try these ones from Create, Love, Share. They fit better. Try these ones from Ever Moment. They're a bit high as well. try these ones from Spell Queen. Better. And then I'll try these ones from Diamond Art Club. And they sit high as well. So it does work. You can set your tweezers, but it looks kind of weird that they're all different heights. But that's down to the tweezers, not the stand. If I take these three off, these are a bit more even, but after saying that, these tweezers sit very well. And if you are building up a collection of custom tweezers and you use this style, they will work very well. So you could have different colours in a row, just like you would do with the pens. But depending which company, they could sit at different heights, which I don't like. It just doesn't look very good. So that is the stand. 3D printed, I mean, really not a lot to it, but it does what it's meant to do. I think if I had a few custom tweezers like this style, all the same style, it would look really nice. So that is it. A quick look at the stand. It's very light, as I said, 3D printed. Basically a frame, has a triangle on the top. Your tweezers just sit over the top, so easy access. I haven't pushed this one in right. Only other thing that I'm thinking is if you've got the really sharp ones, you can't put the cap back on and it's sitting on the stand. Not that it matters, but yeah. I think for this stand, this style is definitely the best. They're wider as well. They just sit a lot better. I could imagine having 3 or 4 of these sitting. But yeah, nice little display for your tweezers if you start to build up a collection of them. Most people concentrate on pens, but I don't see why people couldn't start collecting tweezers. So that was a custom diamond painting tweezer stand from 3DArtRL on Etsy. I really didn't know if I was going to find one. I know people have racks where they have their pens all nicely displayed, and I thought, what about the people that use tweezers? People may have custom tweezers and want to display them and have them so they're easy to access, they're not stuck in a drawer, you just pick them off the stand as and when you need them. And this little stand is perfect for that. Nice little lightweight stand, nice simple design, and I thought I would show it in better lighting so you can see the tweezers. If you imagine you had different colours if you collected them. I don't know if many people do, but I like it. It's a good idea. You just lift the tweezers off when you want them, put them back when you don't, and you can have them sitting on display rather than sitting in a drawer. So simple design, but good idea. Still haven't figured out what the tape was for. I can only assume it's to add some bling, I don't know, but I actually prefer just the black. I think if you've got different coloured tweezers on there, the black background helps to make the tweezers stand out. I think it looks really nice, really cool. So yeah, I like it. I would say if you are looking for a custom tweezer stand, I would definitely give them a look. The only thing was, if you have different styles of tweezers, they sit at different heights, which looks, to me anyway, kind of weird. But after saying that, if you're using custom tweezers, I don't think there are many people who do custom tweezers. So if you were getting all the same style like this, it would look fine. So both from France, the stand and these tweezers. I did an unboxing or an unbagging recently. I will put a link to the tweezers as well for the people who may be interested. I know most people use pens, but some people are converting. So that was it. Short but sweet video this time, and good one for people who are interested in tweezers. We are the minority, I know that. So yeah, that's it. So another little diamond painting accessory. If you're interested in seeing more unboxings, unbaggings, accessories, anything to do with diamond painting, please subscribe and hit the notification button. If you do that, you may catch me live on YouTube. I do random lives. I don't have set days and times, it's just when I can fit it in. But I do enjoy chatting to people live on YouTube as I work on a diamond painting, and we can talk about diamond painting, we can talk about anything really. I just think it's a bit more personal talking to people, and I can answer questions directly, or we can just talk about different things rather than it just being like a chat room or a forum or that type of thing. Something a little bit more personal. So if you're interested, please subscribe, hit the notification button, and that is it for today. Thanks for watching, and in the meantime, take care, be safe, and wash your hands.